Hello, Sari stars. How are things going on in your saree world? I am Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I have for you an exquisite collection of hand woven Kanjivaram silk saris. These saris are just ideal and perfect for Deepavali. They're also great as gifts for your friends and loved ones this Deepavali. So let's get started with this Deepavali collection. A very different and contemporary Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a half and half style. This is a gorgeous contemporary Kanjivaram silk sari in a half and half design. The upper portion of the sari is in a lovely mustardish color and the lower portion is a beautiful green. The lower portion of the sari has teardrop shaped beautiful zari motifs. The sari doesn't have borders, there is a stripe of zari running along the edges. The pallu is a gorgeous short color. It is a mix of rust and green and it has seepareke in zari. The sari has a blouse fabric in the same color as the pallu with zari stripes on it. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a classic gold necklace. An extremely gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a fabulous combination of purple and pink. A very pretty and gorgeous festive Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is one of my absolute favorites. It is in a beautiful combination of purple and pink. The body of the sari is in a very lovely shade of purple and there are small zari buttas all over the body of the sari. The borders of the sari are in pink and they have arai madam motifs in zari. The pallu of the sari is very unique and contemporary. It has bands of arai madam motifs in zari with small zari buttas in between. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same magenta pink as the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a diamond necklace. A breathtaking bridal Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a fabulous short sea green. A splendid Kanjivaram silk sari perfect for bridal occasions like Unjal. This one is in a gorgeous short sea green. The body of the sari has all over grids in zari. The borders of the sari have golden colored tissue and there is a row of motifs along the borders. The pallu of the sari is grand with elaborate and beautiful motifs of pakshis, gudra that is horses, and floral motifs all done in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with a classic gold necklace. A festive Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in an orange rose and it's perfect for special occasions like Unjal. This is a Kanjivaram silk sari which is perfect for occasions like Unjal and Nishchedartham. The body of the sari is a delightful mix of rose orange and there are circular zari buttas all over the body of the sari. The borders are in a deep pink and it has quill-kind motifs in zari. The magnificent pallu of the sari has gorgeous zari motifs of yana, that is elephants, pakshis and diamond-shaped motifs. The sari has a deep pink blouse fabric in the same color as the borders. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold or diamond jewelry. A very elegant and unique Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in an ivory color with a brown pallu. The body of this sari is in an off-white pearl color and there is a stripe of zari along the edges. The pallu of this sari is a showstopper. It is in a gorgeous and unusual brown color and there are cute parrot motifs done in a combination of pink meenakari and zari. You can pair this sari with its own blouse, which is sure to give you an elegant and royal look. You can accessorize this sari with traditional gold jewelry. A very festive Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a lovely shade of red and it is a threadwork Kanjivaram. This is a very lovely and festive Kanjivaram silk sari. It is a threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari in a festive shade of red. The upper border of the sari has honeycomb kind of motifs in silver colored thread. The lower border of the sari has paisley motifs in thread and these are in two colors, silver colored and yellow color. The grand pallu of the sari has intricate threadwork motifs of pakshis and diamond-shaped motifs. All these are done in yellow colored thread. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a silver tissue blouse. You can accessorize this sari with delicate silver jewelry. Our Deepavali range of Kanjivaram silk saris are in beautiful colors and mesmerizing designs and motifs. To shop for our collection of Deepavali Kanjivaram silk sarees, head over to our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more sarees and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.